Chris with the No Boss Life channel, the person bringing you a little bit closer to breaking the cycle of the rat race. Before I get into what the most profitable online business is to start, I need you to answer a question in the comments right now. If someone walked up to you and said, hey, for the next 9 months, forget about your rent bill, forget about your mortgage bill, I'm paying it for 9 whole months, what would you do with the freed up income you would now have for the next 9 months, okay, that doesn't have to go onto your rent or your mortgage? Put that in the comments and we're gonna come back to that near the end of the video. Okay guys, so hands down, one of the most profitable businesses you can start online is affiliate marketing. I wanted to give it to you quick because more than likely you've seen a lot of videos already on this, and I want to go a little bit deeper and let you know 3 points on why affiliate marketing is one of the most profitable things you can do online. There is no inventory to buy. That is if you're actually promoting a digital product or service, and that's what I love to actually get involved with. You don't have to freaking pay money to ship things out to people, which also means you don't have to pay money to store any kind of physical products or anything like that. Also guys, depending on how you're actually marketing your affiliate offer, it actually doesn't take very much money to start an affiliate marketing business and to keep it running. I've been making money online full-time since 2013, and I'm at the point now where I'm making anywhere from $200 to $500 on a daily basis. And guess what? I'm not even paying for ads. Just know that while you may look at my results and you're like, oh my God, that's amazing, I am literally just scratching the surface of what can be done, what can be made, what I can learn to scale this business. The money you guys have been seeing me make is literally from basically free advertising. I do have some tools that I have to have to I guess keep things going. Like I have my autoresponder, I have a funnel builder, but that's basically it. And even if I were to dive into paid ads and if I got those ads perfectly, the profit margin on that, because I still don't have to ship anything out, I don't have to pay for inventory up front or anything like that, is still extremely crazy high. That's one of the reasons why you see so many people talking about affiliate marketing, is because it's like once you get the marketing side down, it's just pure profit basically from there. For those of you who don't know me and you want to see proof of me actually making this kind of money, go ahead and click the link in my video description below, or I may have a video popping up somewhere you can click where you're actually seeing the amount of money I'm making. Number 2, depending on whether you had to spend money to get involved in a certain opportunity or something like that, you can make within your first like 3 sales, you can already have made your money back, okay, on whatever you had to spend to start doing affiliate marketing. I mean, there are even free affiliate programs you can start out with, like Amazon, freaking Walmart has an affiliate offer program, ClickBank, JVZoo, I mean, I can keep going on. The only problem with things like that is there isn't education behind it. So you get the opportunity, but most people starting out don't really know what to do after they actually join those types of things. So it's very important that you look at training, take advantage of YouTube, take advantage of Google, take advantage of people offering courses, coaching, things like that on how to actually start marketing those businesses. Number 3, it's a great return on your time, okay? To me, it's not just about the money, but it's also the time. The more I can do something that can help me free up my time, the more profitable it actually is for me. And maybe not in a money way, but time to me is more precious than money. We can't get it back. You can start out with it part-time or full-time. If you've got 30 minutes a day to dedicate to this stuff and you're consistently doing that, then sometimes that's all the time you need to actually put in your marketing practices to actually make money. To me, anywhere from 30 minutes to 2 or 3 hours a day to spend on learning income producing actions when it comes to doing wealth affiliate marketing, that's all somebody really needs to actually start having pretty good success with this. Affiliate marketing is a real skill you can actually learn. It takes time. It's not a get rich quick thing. But when I asked, what if somebody came up to you and said for the next 9 months, your rent is paid, your mortgage is paid, whatever, you don't got to worry about it anymore. That's what this skill can do for you. Pick any freaking hard bill that you have struggled with, and think about if you took anywhere from 60 to 90 days to really learn this affiliate marketing business, and from there on out, whatever hard bill that gives you the most trouble in life is paid for as long as you're keeping this up. That's what this stuff can do for you if you're just starting out, if you struggle with money. It's kind of working your way up and then learning how to scale. No one's gonna come up to you and say they're gonna pay your rent for 9 months. I wish that's gonna happen, but you can be that person and you can learn the skill that can literally start doing that. If you want to check out what I have been using to get crazy amount of sales, okay, with affiliate marketing, go ahead and click the link in my video description below, or maybe there's a video popping up. If there's not a video popping up somewhere on this video, then click that link, okay, check out that income proof and follow what I'm saying step by step and you will win. Please give this video a like and please comment and let me know your thoughts on this video. Talk to you guys later and I can't wait to work with you.